Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, I can tell you something. The whales are planning something very, very big. And I am getting ready right now for my next trade. Yes, I am having 2 trades open, million US dollar trades open over on Bybit and Phemex. But that's not it. I'm going to take dramatic actions on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency marketplace right now in the immediate short term. Here you can see my Phemex trade, my Bybit trade. I showed over here the 1 million US dollar trade. Of course, I am going to talk about my price targets, but most importantly, I want to talk with you about the plans of whales, but more importantly, what are the next moves for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Yes, we will look at the altcoin section as well. And now let's go straight into it. Thank you so much, guys. Yesterday's video got like 13,000 likes, and I just screened YouTube, and they're awesome, amazing, a lot of good content creators out there. But I have to say, we have the craziest community. I have not seen an engagement rate like this. You are the best community in the world. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for sharing, for everything you are doing here to make the algorithm go on fire. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. I would like to explain you what these green boats are doing, but if you watched yesterday's video, you know already. So now let's go straight into it. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And what you can see here is Bitcoin actually on the hourly candles. As you already remember, we broke out from this ascending triangle, absolutely perfectly hit my price target. And yesterday after my recording, we also hit the next price target already. Actually, we are check marking here perfectly all my price predictions for Bitcoin recently, and it's crazy. I mean, let me quickly pull out this measurement price tool. You can pull it. This is the more conservative one. Pull it however you want. But anyways, we hit the target. We even overshot it a little bit. And then, of course, Bitcoin went into that rejection. And now the question is, are we going to go higher or are we not going to go higher? Let's talk about that. I wanted to go in here, and I'm not showing you this. I want to show you this here. What you can see, the long-short ratio right now in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin is perfectly equal. And I can tell you how it usually looks like, because I look at this statistic. Let me quickly go into the camera mode. I look at this statistic a lot, actually, like recently, not daily, but I look at it a lot. And usually in crypto, you have the vast majority longing, like all the time. We always have a positive funding rate, of course, on long positions, because there are more longs than shorts in the market. Hence, more people betting on increasing prices than falling prices. But now you can see more and more within this consolidation period, something which doesn't happen a lot is happening. We are having as many longs and shorts in the market, which is unique, which you could consider that the market is bearish right now, and that doesn't happen a lot. That is something I can tell you. So, of course, keeping that in our back head, that now as many people are short than long, that it's an equal ratio, which doesn't happen a lot. We might ask ourselves the question, well, maybe it's over now with these crazy fake outs. Maybe it's over now with these very boring corrections here towards the downside. So now let's discuss. You see here we hit this new price target, right? And the question is there a new pattern for Bitcoin? And yes, I can tell you, it's not so easy to see with the previous pattern here, but basically we are having here one V, and a second V is right now unfolding on the horizon. So what I am personally looking out for here is, and this is something I'm not trading right now, but I might be trading very, very soon, is this potential W breakout. It would have been more perfect if the second low is higher than the previous low. It's still a legit one. And if Bitcoin goes higher here and breaks above the 45,500, yes, the very famous 45,500 US dollar area, then, ladies and gentlemen, for the immediate short term, we are looking at a pretty crazy price target. Yes, it's too early to trade it, but we can get ready, because basically within the next 24 hours, it could be already the case that we are breaking out here. The price target is 48,400 US dollars for Bitcoin for this potential breakout. And yes, I am having my trades here. Let me show you. I'm having my trade open over on Bybit, almost 100,000 US dollars in profits. You can see here this 1 million US dollar trade, and I'm having my trade open on Phemex. Obviously, if you want to be trading that as well, Well, down below in the pinned comment, you can find, if I'm going here, a $10,000 bonus for free. On Bybit alone, $4,100. If you click the Bybit link, click register deposit. Takes a few seconds and you literally, after your deposit, you get up to $4,100 completely for free, with which you can trade actually as well. If you are, for example, want to get ready for the next breakout trade for Bitcoin, you can claim the bonus, wait on the sidelines and get active when it's necessary. So now let's talk about the next things, because as I said, I am going to talk about Bitcoin and I am going to talk about, oh man, finally some upwards price action. Really, how long have we been waiting for that? Of course, I wanted to talk about the altcoin section as well. And here I'm going into the total cryptocurrency market cap. And here, very important for you to understand, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to the weekly. This is the Bitcoin market cap and the total altcoin market cap together. So the total crypto market cap is Bitcoin plus all altcoins. Basically, the whole total market cap you can see over on CoinMarketCap. So if we are going into that, we can see something interesting, because as you remember, we were breaking down here. But the most important thing for me in this chart is, it is for me, and of course for many other traders as well, a very good chart to zoom out a little bit and understand the bigger picture, whether we are going to go lower or higher. So now let's pull out the FIB retracement from the top all the way to the bottom and see if this retracement is over already. Well, at least we can see we perfectly hit the 78.6. Basically always the last resort before we are going down for a retest of the previous bottom. We got supported here. So now that we got supported, let's make the assumption that this was the bottom. If this was the bottom, let's see if we are running into some resistance here. And well, as you can see, absolutely perfectly, we are running into the resistance of the 38.2. So as you can see, the prices we hit yesterday, yes, we have to overcome them. But I can tell you something. The moment we are overcoming the $2.07 trillion market cap for the total cryptocurrency market cap, it will result into a potential very big pump for Bitcoin and for the whole altcoin space as well. So what am I doing right now? I am standing still on my Bitcoin portfolio, on my altcoin portfolio. I am standing still on my Bitcoin trades. Yes, we took some profits here earlier. At least it was recommended to take some profits earlier. I am waiting with scaling up my trades, and I am waiting for putting more over into my altcoin portfolio as well. The moment it is happening, I am going to update you about that. What I need from you here is a like on that video and a comment down below. Please leave me your top 3 altcoins in the comment section down below. I will not only be engaging with your comments, I want to take these comments into consideration for my own research and of course for future content on this channel, as I want to see good altcoin recommendations which I can make TA on and which I can create content on. So please get active down below. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.